Oh. Hey everybody, I'm Sarah Custer and this is Sarah on Science for Arizona Science Center, today with your live 1 p.m. demonstration or activity, something that you can try at home. I am joined today by my fabulous helper and daughter. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Carson.
This is Carson. So
Mom, don't forget Girl Raja's baby.
Oh, this is a little baby girl Raja.
No!
Girl Raja's baby.
Yeah, and her name is Lou.
Lou. All right, so we've got Lou, we've got Carson, and we've got some weather happening. So thank you for joining us today for our live 1 p.m. demonstration. And thank you all for those of you who are at home, safe social distancing. We appreciate you helping to keep our community safe. As you can see, I'm not at the Science Center. I am also at home doing my safe.
I wanted to say that.
Oh, wait.
Even I'm at home, even Lou is at home. She was at the zoo, but we didn't want the animals to get sick. That's why she came here.
So as you can see, we are also at home, safe social distancing, and finding our ways to stay busy and keeping the science going, because just because we're all home doesn't mean the science has to stop. So if you're looking for activities, of course, you can join us here every day at 9:30 for the early learners and at 1 o'clock for all ages. We've got something happening right here on Facebook. And if you're looking for even more, we've got videos, resources, and all kinds of activities online at azscience.org. So, all right, let's jump in today. We're talking about wacky weather. All right, have you looked out? Wacky weather. Carson, have you looked outside today at all? Was it cloudy?
Let me check.
All right, Carson's gonna go check and see if it's still cloudy. Now, earlier today it was really cloudy. It was really gray. I don't know how many of you looked outside. Is it cloudy where you are? Go ahead and put in the comments.
It's a lot cloudy and a lot sunny.
Okay, so it's partly cloudy right now outside.
And sunny at the same time.
And sunny at the same time, which is absolutely possible and likely. So we're going to talk about those clouds. So how do clouds form? That's a good question.
Yeah.
How do clouds form? What do you think? What are they made of?
Clouds are made from oxygen.
Oxygen.
And rain. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. So water, basically. All right. So when you're outside, have you ever watched a pot boil? Right? If you watch it and all that steam starts to rise, which direction does it go? Does it go out or does it go up? It goes up. So hot air rises, and when you're outside and there's air all around us, that warm, moist air starts to rise and it goes up, up, up into the sky. So that warm, moist air, once it gets up into the atmosphere, well, there's less pressure up there, so it starts to spread out. The water vapor in that air then starts to condense around dust in the atmosphere, and those water droplets then form what we know as clouds. So we thought we'd make a cloud happen right here and show you how that actually happens. What do you think?
A real cloud and all.
We're gonna make a real cloud happen right here, and all you need are some things that you already have at home. So I'm gonna adjust this so you can see the ingredients here. All you need are some very simple things. If you've got a 2 liter bottle, sort of like this.
And like this kind.
Or like this one, yep. And then if you've got one of these soda keepers, these fizz keepers, these really, really help. If you don't have one, just a really good tight fitting cap should work. So we're gonna use the fizz keepers just because they really help make it nice and fast. But we'll show you how to do both. All right, so the other thing that you're gonna need that's important is rubbing alcohol. Now, I know most of you have told me that this is at a premium right now. Don't worry, you can use any percentage. 70% works just fine for that.
This is alcohol, guys.
It is alcohol, so a little rubbing alcohol.
You can use some alcohol to make hand sanitizer too.
You can use alcohol to make hand sanitizer, but we're gonna use the alcohol for this one to make a cloud. And where's it gonna go, Carson? Is it gonna go into the bottle? Yes, it is. So we're gonna show you. I'm gonna get this up just a little.
Not outside the bottle.
Nope, in the bottle. Oops. You got a handle on your bottle there?
I catched it.
All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna create a closed system. Oh, don't open that one. Here, can you help me pour into this one, maybe, Carson?
No. I will hold it.
You'll hold the bottle. All right. So we're gonna add let's tip it down here so they can see. We are gonna add just a little bit of rubbing alcohol into our 2 liter bottle. Not too much, maybe about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, that's fine. Let's show them how much is in the bottom, just a little bit. Enough so that we get vapors. So we're using this alcohol to simulate the dust that's in the air. Here we go, Carson. Let's move this up so that we can see it a little bit better. There we go.
And
All right.
close it.
Yep, then you're going to close the lid. So if you've got one of these soda keepers, you're going to close it until it snaps, so all the way tight. And then squeeze it. So keep squeezing, Carson. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. This is like the workout. So this morning we made butter and we had to shake it and shake it and shake it. Today we're going to squeeze our soda keeper. So I'm going to squeeze this one while you squeeze that one. Now we're doing this.
That one's mine and this one's yours.
That's okay, we'll trade. Well, you squeeze that one for me. That means I can talk about it. Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Like a plan.
This one is kind of tricky.
All right, so we're squeezing these bottles. I guess I should move this again. We're squeezing the bottles so that we can increase the pressure.
I got an idea.
You have an idea?
Yeah, we can use these two marbles and add them in. We can just shake it and then take it out. Then we can just put it back in and then the cloud would be better.
Well, I don't think we can open it right now because, well, we can't open it, but we can put them in after and see what happens. Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
All right, so how's yours doing over there? All right, so we've got our closed system. We've added alcohol into these bottles, which is creating our dust. We're squeezing, squeezing, squeezing so that we can increase the pressure. So this is simulating that warm, moist air. There was already warm, moist air in here too. And what we're gonna do when we release these is drop the pressure. So just like when we have that warm, moist air that goes way up in the atmosphere and cools down, when that pressure drops, we're gonna drop the pressure really fast and see what happens. All right, Carson, should we switch? Do you want this one back? Oh, I want to show everybody something interesting too. Can you show that bottle? There's a sticker on the outside. Can you show everybody?
And it has a C for Carson.
Oh, it does have a C for Carson.
Mine bottle.
Celsius. Well, here, they need to see the sticker. This is actually a thermometer sticker. So it started over here because it's about room temperature between, 68 and 70 degrees in here. And it's increasing the temperature. So it's actually showing a much higher temperature because we're increasing the pressure in that bottle. All right, Carson, are you ready? We're going to open these and see what happens.
I don't know how.
Oh, here, I'll show you. Watch here. Is this yours or this one? Which one do you want to open?
This one is because it has a C.
All right, good deal. So you're going to put your thumb on this tab and push it open. So push like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, woo! There you go. So we dropped the pressure. Oh, here, you can hold this one. And you can see we made the cloud form right here. All of that water vapor that was trapped in the bottle condensed around the dust particles or those alcohol particles that were in there and created a cloud in a bottle. All right, so you can do this at home. If you don't have the fizz keeper, you can also just use... It might escape. You can use a regular bottle, cap really tight. We'll cap it on really tight and then squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as much as you can to increase the pressure inside that bottle. And when you release, you can see if you can make a cloud form. It's actually a little cloudy in there. It's hard to see it, but you can do it with just the bottle and a little bit of alcohol. All right, so we hope you enjoyed making a cloud in a bottle, having fun with this investigation with just some materials that you already have at home. If you're looking for more science activities, of course, join us here on Facebook every day at 9:30 and at 1 p.m. Or you can also check out azscience.org for more videos, activities, and all kinds of resources to help keep the science going while you're home safe social distancing. All right, thanks for joining us today. Leave comments, leave pictures below. If you end up doing this at home, we want to see it, so share with us. And we can't wait to see you next time with Sarah on Science. And Carson, bye.
Bye.